little ones. I'm Harry the Bunny. Ooh. What's this? It's sand. Ooh. Feels soft. And crunchy too. It slides right through my hand. Oh. Oh. I can draw in the sand. Oh, I'm drawing a circle. Oh dear, I made it go away. Oh, I made a squiggle. A funny face. See you later, funny face. Drawing in the sand. You can draw anything. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.